When it comes to buying a home, picking out the perfect floor plan and the right neighborhood are just part of the battle. Choosing the right route to a mortgage can also be daunting. Bruce, personal finance is your area of expertise, but walk us through the best way to pick a mortgage broker, or I guess even, do you need a mortgage broker at all?
Which is a first question. See, a lot of people say, it's time for renewal, what should I keep in mind? I went back to my bank, I've been with my bank forever, I'm just going to go back. But it's kind of zombie behavior.
Yeah.
A lot of people would say it's loyalty, I would say it's lazy. You can be loyal to a restaurant you love because they treat you right, but don't be loyal to your bank because you like the person there, because it can make a profound difference in the rate you pay. Number one, don't let loyalty trump the interest rate. And mortgage brokers can help you shop around because they are paid they're paid by the lender, but they work for you, versus the bank mortgage specialist who works for the bank and offers the products of the bank. Banks can be competitive, they got deep pockets, but they are competitive when they have to be competitive.
And so signs that you have a good mortgage broker, how do you know from one to the other that you're actually onto something
really
good?
It's a service business,
yeah.
And do they answer your questions? Can they find the type of mortgage that you want? Because there are a lot of features out there that not everyone offers.
Yeah.
For example, a lot of people could really benefit from a fixed payment variable mortgage. What is that? Who offers that? Can my mortgage broker help me think through borrowing holistically? Given that this is all they do, they can do things like line of credits, HELOCs, helping you consolidate your credit card debt. So it's a relationship that can be really, really helpful. I also wanted to flag how they make their money. Because we have been talking, you and I have been talking about for years, trying to understand and help investors understand how financial advisors make their money. Financial advisors deserve to be paid, mortgage brokers deserve to be paid, but how? For most of them, it's a one-time commission based on the value of the mortgage. So if you borrow $300,000 and they take a commission of 75 basis points, that's $2,250. They can also receive, depending on the lender, things like volume bonuses, trailer fees, gifts, incentives, and that kind of thing. And the volume bonuses are probably the area that I have a biggest question about, because that's the area where there could be a loss of objectivity.
Where they want to go back to the same bank in order to get this volume bonus.
If I hit my volume, I get X. So that's kind of the question mark.
Now, if you go to your bank direct, is there a way to get rid of that fee in a way that you're not able to do with a mortgage broker? The mortgage broker does always have to get paid.
There can be some way that you can benefit from keeping all of your business in the bank.
Yes.
But you may have to fight for it, and you're definitely going to have to do your research. You're going to need to be armed with, down the street they'll offer me X, and I need you as my mortgage specialist to go to your manager's manager to get me that rate.
Now, we know, as with all service industries, that it is a range of capability.
Yeah.
Given that rates are rising, people have very kind of different needs. What's the sense of sort of how you know how to find somebody who's
super hard.
great?
Referral from your most financially savvy friend, not your most relationship-oriented friend, right? So a lot of people really engage with their hairdresser and engage with their mechanic, and they have a very close relationship. I'm less concerned about that. I'm more concerned about asking for the opinion of people who are financially savvy and would be able to vet that broker.
Well, speaking of mortgages, in America now, nearly 14 million homeowners owe more than their home is now worth. That impedes their ability to rebuild savings and, of course, pay down that debt. So what kind of remedy should Washington be looking at? It's the subject of today's Word.